So here we are.
Shoot.
Potato bucket number 2. So far we have 1 potato. Let's get a camera shot with each one you pull out. 2 potatoes. What's that song? Like 1 potato, 2 potato?
I don't know how it goes.
Still a bunch of babies. Huh. Well, I guess you know what that means. Potato pizza. How are the skins? 3 potatoes. 4 potatoes. They're alright size, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so in 1 bucket we got 3 potatoes. Yes, I'm watching my wife struggle. I just stand here. The camera's extremely heavy. Oh, that's a nice size. That one's kind of goofy shaped, isn't it? Oh, there's another one. These are all Yukon Golds, by the way. Oh, those are pretty nice looking, huh? A couple more babies. So do you think we've been rewarded by waiting? Or do you think it's been about the same?
No, this is definitely more.
Look at those, huh? I don't even think we've had a rotten one yet.
Oh, you shouldn't have said that.
Why?
Jinx us.
That's a pretty nice size one.
Deformed looking. Oh, the skin's really delicate too.
Oh, means they're not quite ready then, right?
No potatoes. There's a rotten start piece.
Start. Yummy. Did we compost the last ones?
I think so.
Good.
Is that all the plants?
That's it, huh?
That's all the plants, right?
Yeah. Come on.
For me.
Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, get me a shot. Give me the money shot.
Give it a minute here. I just want to make sure.
That one's a lot more brown looking than the other ones, huh?
Yeah.
Different boxes, different wounds. As you can see, we dumped it out onto a tarp, so that way we could just put it right back into the bucket and save it for next year. Of course, I don't know. Do you think the bucket's hindered the development? Possibly. Well, I'm also kind of thinking about doing one of them self-watering containers, but I'm not really sure yet. Okay, so far we have a bunch of dirt.
I think that's probably it. I don't know.
That's it. Let's get a money shot. Wait, let's get a shot of your sandal.
Let's not say we did.
You don't want a shot of the 3-year-old sandal?
No. No, I don't.
Sandals, it's kind of like the gardening hat though. Okay, so this is what we got out of container number 2. Again, today's August 20th. It's our second attempt at potatoes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe a dozen normal size, and like 6 or 7 babies.
21 total.
21 total. Alright, that is potato harvest number 2.